Hey everyone, Erica with Kay here. Welcome to another episode of Cleaning Gross Things. This is the series where I clean things that are long overdue and should have been cleaned in my house. And I do a deep cleaning on them and I film it because I have ADHD, and if I don't film it, it's not going to get done. So I hope you enjoy this series. I am not a professional cleaner by any means. I barely even know how to clean and I do my best. And so here are some of my favorite products that I use and just some tips and tricks. So before I get too comfortable on this couch, let's jump into it.
I was telling my friend not too long ago about how much I love the Bona Hardwood floor cleaner, and this is not like an advertisement or anything like that. And she was confused and she was like, I don't really understand. Am I supposed to like spray from the spray bottle and then like mop my floor with it? And I was like, no, you can get the Bona, the whole entire thing. It's basically like the same as a Swiffer. And then you can get the refills at like a BJ's, or I believe like a Costco. We get ours at BJ's. But you could also buy it on Amazon if you want to support a company like Amazon. So this is me just refilling the thing that's like attached, like I said, like a Swiffer. It's just a refillable thing, which I really like. I enjoy this, and I am just refilling it just to show you how easy it is. Oh, it also says easy refill. When you're done filling it, you just put the little top back on. So I guess I should have said that you have to take that little white top part off first and then whatever, but it's really easy. And then you just turn it upside down and you stick it right into the Bona cleaner thing. And the pad on the front is reusable as well. I mean, on the bottom part, it's reusable. You can just wash it and it's really simple to use. And it sprays the same as, like I said, a Swiffer. So let me get you guys a better view. As you probably saw in the last clip, we do have pit bulls, and our backyard is always a construction site because we're never done. And so our floors are always filthy. These are hardwood floors, they're bamboo, and just wanted to show you a close-up of once it's clean versus when it has paw prints all over it. It's pretty effortless, especially for somebody like me who like really just puts minimal effort in. But look at how dirty our floors are, and this is after it's been vacuumed. We run our Roomba literally every single night. And our floors are just that dirty, especially in like the winter or the spring where it's snowing or wet or raining outside. And like I said, our backyard is a construction site all the time, so it's always pretty dirty. And our pups live here, so that's that. So if you have pups, hardwood floors, or just want an easier way to clean your floors, I highly recommend this. And I'm really glad that I filmed this because it's a struggle for me to clean, but not when I know it's content. So I appreciate you guys. If you haven't noticed, this series is certainly for me to get my butt in gear. And I hope that you enjoy it on the way. I'll have everything linked if you're interested. Love you guys. Bye.